Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited about today's video because it is very informative. For those who are new here, thanks for joining us, and don't forget to hit that subscription button and the bell aside it. For those who are coming in again, thank you for your support. So today's video will be basically about the onion juice. How to use onion juice as a Preepoo. Let's get to the benefits of onion juice. So one, onion juice is an antioxidant that helps with your skull. It helps reduce the bacteria in your skull or any other infections you might have on your skull. Onion juice also contains something we call sulfur, and sulfur is really good for your hair. It keeps your strands strong and prevents your hair from thinning. And onion juice, I'm having a cat here and it's kind of problem, but she's so cute. Okay, let's get back to our video. So another thing about onion juice, it helps with thickening of your hair. So I prefer using onion juice as a Preepoo because when I use it after I've washed my hair, that pungent smell any onion usually has, it's a no for me. It's a complete no. So I usually use it as a Preepoo. Then Hazel, get off here. So I usually use it as a, sorry for that, I use it as a Preepoo, and then I'll wash it out. After I Preepoo it for like 30 minutes, then I'll wash it out. So I'm going to show you how I prepare that onion juice and how I apply it into my hair. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into our video. Stay tuned, guys, so you can see how I actually prepare the onion juice. Okay, so here we are at the kitchen. So I want to chop the onions. Actually, this is going to be a very hard video to shoot, but I'll chop the onions. So guys, I had to shoot via the back one because I don't have a place to place the phone so I can shoot with the front camera, but we'll work with what we have. So there we have the freshly chopped onions. So these ones, it was partly some part of that onion was kind of bad, so I've tried as much as possible to reduce these black things, so but it's okay. Then don't mind the steam. This is a container where I'll put, and then I have some hot water here, so I'll just pour the hot water. Sorry, I'll pour the hot water here. That's enough for the hot water. So one thing with onion, for you to be able to extract all that nutrient and sulfur from the onion, we're going to soak those onions inside the hot water. Yep. Oh, that's my cat Hazel. She's really misbehaving. So there, I'm going to let it sit for like 5 minutes, then I'll be back to show you how to squeeze off the juice. We have the water there and the onions here. So I'm going to take these onions and place them into like a sieve bowl something. I've decided to use this shopping bag, improvisation Vicky. So I'm just going to put them inside here, from here to inside here. And once we have the onions inside this bag, you're going to wanna squeeze out the juice like that way. So you're going to squeeze it out till we have no more. So guys, I have squeezed out all the onion juice from this bag, and so what we're left with is the onion water. I'm going to show you how I incorporate it into my hair. Hi guys, concerning the onion juice, it was quite a tedious video to shoot. I had lots of technical issues, lots of lots of challenges in short. So I was not able to show you how I incorporated it into my hair because I was alone. Don't have a stand where I can put it and shoot on its own. I'm kind of working on that. But on how you can pour the onion juice, for me, I just poured it directly like water, and then I rubbed it into my scalp, just massaged it into my scalp and let it to sit for 30 minutes. But for some of you can choose to just sprinkle, use a spritz bottle and then just sprinkle it all around. Either way it would work, but you have to let it sit for 30 minutes. That's all, guys. You can try and incorporate the onion juice into your hair. Tell me if you've used it before, how have your results been. For me, once I use the onion juice and then I feel my hair, I can actually feel it's awakening. Yeah. I can feel how vibrant it is, how amazing it is. So let me know in the comment section how you feel about onion juice as a Preepoo, and what other product you would want me, what other natural product you use as a Preepoo, so that I can also try it. Okay, thanks guys for the support. Till next time, bye.